make a long story short, we've been getting so many demands from our clients regarding mobile POS systems. And a lot of our clients have been hitting me, asking me if there's any way for them or any possibilities of having maybe a tablet or something that is mobile, a system that is that would help them move around with it. So let me show you. We definitely have something. So stay tuned with us and I'll show you this right away. Hi, and welcome back everyone to RetailPOZ. So a lot of my clients have been hitting me up, asking me all kinds of questions regarding a mobile or a system, a POS system that would be more flexible for them, such as coffee shops, restaurants, bars, vape shops, retail stores. So people that really want to move around their stores and want to have something maybe in their hand, something that is really easy to carry with them and not something really that would be on a counter with all kinds of wires everywhere. Today what I'm going to show you during this video, I'm going to ask you to stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what we can offer you in order to be more flexible, more mobile, and I'm going to set it up as well and show you exactly what we have. Okay, so like I was telling you guys, a lot of my clients wanted something that is more mobile for them, something that is more flexible, that would let them basically move around and walk around their stores, such as coffee shops, vape stores, anything such as restaurants, bars, hairdressers, retail stores. So you want to be able to move around. I'm the type of person who likes to go around and bring it directly to my clients instead of them coming to me and having so many stuff on my counter and clutter as well. So the perfect product would be really what we're offering you today. So let me show you a little bit what you'll be receiving, and then we'll go in details and I'll be able to do the unboxing with you guys as well. You'll be receiving a thermal printer. You'll have also the barcode scanner, the cash drawer, and the tablet. So we'll go within each product and we'll see them in details. For the thermal printer, which we'll be receiving is, we'll do the unboxing right away. So as you can see, they're all packed, they're brand new. You get as well the drivers and the manual. All the cables that come as well with it. So you got the USB cable, you got your unit cable, and the thermal printer that is well packed. We'll open that in order for you guys to be able to see it. We'll set up everything later on as well and do a little demonstration as well. So you'll be able to see exactly what you'll be getting and how it functions. So this is a thermal printer. It comes also with a roll. So we provide you already with the first roll. And if you do need any more rolls, you can always hit me up and I'll tell you exactly what you can do in order to have more rolls. So we can provide you with that. So this is for the thermal printer. We'll leave this here for now. And we'll get back to this a little bit later. The barcode scanner. So that's also brand new, well packed. So it's wire and wireless as well. This is where you have the cable. You also have the USB. And there you go. The scanner. We'll test everything later. See the functionality of everything as. Now, this is the exciting part. That's the part that I love the most. Now, for all of those that have been asking me something that is mobile, something that is flexible, something that is more, that you can walk around your store, guys, I have the exact perfect products for you. This is what I'm excited for. I can't wait to show you this. So much more mobility. You'll be able to walk around. So once again, if you have a coffee shop, if you have a retail store, a clothing store, whether it's a vape store, you want to walk around your store, you want to go to your clients, guys, I got the exact perfect product. I know the weather now is getting nice. You're probably going to have some sales on the streets. If you have terraces or a little restaurants, a little bar outside, guys, this is the perfect item for you. Now, in stores, I bet you know the Surface. My whole product, the whole thing together, is less expensive than what you can get. I'm sure the Surface is actually double the price of my whole unit. Now we did a very good special price right now. Now we have about, I would say, 100 of these. Guys, they're going really fast, so place your orders as fast as possible, because I'm telling you, clients are ordering about 2-3, and some coffee shops are actually ordering even more than that. So what you get is an HP tablet. It's a 10-inch, beautiful USB, HDMI, has a Windows 10 already installed. Guys, Windows 10 today, perfect technology. If you're familiar, if you have it already on your PC, if you have it on your phone, this is exactly the same thing. It's Windows 10. Most of you are already familiar with it, and we'll do some demonstration afterwards. But as you can see, beautiful. So small, so light. It's so light. You can actually walk around. Look, guys, you can hold it with one hand. So this is a perfect product. No wires nowhere, no clutterness. It's perfect, it's clean for people that like clean stuff, a clean look. If you have waiters walking around and could just pass it around so they can click directly what the clients have ordered, it's just perfect, guys. So I really suggest that you place your order as fast as possible. They're going fast. Like I said, we have about 100 units left right now, and we'll do a demonstration to show you exactly how this whole unit actually functions. Alright, so welcome back, guys. So as you can see, this is my demo unit. Look how beautiful this is. Look how clean this is. So if you're exactly like me and you like everything wireless and you like everything to be clean and no clutter on your counter, this is a perfect item for you. So let's go around and let's see exactly what you'll be getting. So this is a special unit. This is a cash drawer. It's a push open cash drawer. So if you're like me and you don't like technology too much, and I'm the type of person who doesn't like to break my head too much, I just prefer using my keys or just push open my cash drawer. So easy. And as you can see, all you have to do is push and it opens directly. It has 2 keys. So once you'll be getting it, you'll be getting the 2 keys with it. So this is this one here is the open push model. Make sure that whenever you select it on our listings, that you select the one that you really want. So if it's the push open, that's the one. You can also have it directly connected to your printer. So if that's the type of cash drawer you want, make sure that you opt and that you select the one that connects to your printer. This one doesn't. As you can see, there's no wires, so it's really just a push open, and it will open directly. But if you want something that is connected directly to your printer, so as soon as you print something, your cash drawer opens up automatically, then make sure you select the one that connects to your printer. Now, let's move on to the barcode scanner. Barcode scanner comes also with a small USB. This one here will connect directly into the port on the dock of your tablet. So right on the side, I'm just going to turn this here towards you guys so that you can see. So you have 2 USB ports, and you also have a HDMI, you have the VGA, and you also have the Ethernet port. So if you prefer, obviously this one here is wireless, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, but if you do want to connect it directly to Ethernet, you do have the connection to do so. And if you do want to have also an external screen, you can also do that. Or if you want to monitor an external monitor, then you'll be able to do it with high definitions or all kinds of other monitors that you want to connect. You'll be able to connect it directly with your HDMI or your VGA. So beautiful tablet. All you have to do, we'll connect it right away. So all you have to do is actually put this right here and connect it. Very easy, guys. That's the only thing that you really actually have to do. There's no other wires, no other connections, as you can see. That's really the only one that you're gonna have. And the software is just amazing. So if you want to do reports, if you want to be able to export, import, inventory, whether it's your taxes, put in all kinds of products in there. Guys, this is amazing. The software is just amazing, and it's really efficient. So it's really definitely going to help you guys with all kinds of reports that you wanna generate from the system. You'll be able to generate it directly through the POS software system. Now you have the thermal printer as well. That I've already done some demonstration as well in my other videos. So if you do subscribe to RetailPOZ, you'll be able to definitely see the description of the barcode scanner. You'll be able to see the description as well of the thermal printer, and see exactly how it works with all the functionalities of that. So that's really what it is. I'll turn the tablet right in front of you guys. So once again, like I said, if you want to be mobile, if you want to walk around with it, all you have to do, take it out of the dock and go around directly to your customers. So the customers don't have to come to you. You can go directly towards them with your tablet in your hand and your scanner with you. So guys, this is just an amazing product. Don't hesitate to start doing your orders. I really suggest you do it pretty fast. Like I said, we only have about 100 units remaining, so they're really going fast, and our prices are just amazing. We really put low prices in order for it to be affordable for you guys. And just look at this, beautiful. If you like organized spaces and you like everything being clean, no wires everywhere and clutter everywhere, this is just a perfect unit for you. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so let's just recap and see exactly what you'll be getting with your whole system once you place your order. So once again, you'll be getting your barcode scanner. This one has a dual function. I'm not sure if I did mention it before or not, but you can either have it with wire or, just like I have it, wireless. Okay, so that's gonna come with it. You also have the cash drawer. So like I said, this one is the one that I personally suggest. It's my favorite, one of my favorites, and that one is just like I was saying, my favorite one, my personal favorite one is definitely the wireless cash drawer. And this one is the push open one. So basically very easy for people like me that don't like to break their heads. You don't like to have wires a little bit everywhere. This is just a perfect unit. Just make sure that on our listings that you do select the one that is push open, and if you do want the one that is plugged directly to your thermal printer, and that's going to be able to open up the printer on its own as soon as the cash drawer, as soon as the printer prints the label, then make sure that's the one that you definitely order. But this one here, just push and it opens. Now there's sufficient space as well for your coins, for your bills. It's just perfect. I love this one. Alright, so quick recap. The tablet that you'll be receiving, 10-inch HP. Alright, so next you'll be receiving the tablet. So this one here comes with the charger, comes also with the dock station, and it's a 10-inch HP. Just a little quick reminder, it is refurbished but in great condition. So you would have little minor things normally on the back. As you can see, this one here is just maybe scotch tape on the back. Other than that, absolutely no scratches, nothing. Could be very tiny stuff, but normally they're in great condition. So very light. beautiful, amazing software. Like I said, the software has different functionalities. It's Windows 10, and you'll be able to pull up some reports, employees, enter all your products in there, pull out all kinds of reports, queries. So guys, this is just a perfect product for you. So make sure you order them pretty fast. As I mentioned, we only have about 100 units left. They're going pretty fast, especially for, like I said, all kinds of stores where you want to be able to walk around, you want to be mobile, you want to be able to move around, go directly to your clients, coffee shops, breakfast the shops, vape shops. Now the weather is beautiful, so you have a store outside or a terrace and you want to go directly and serve your clients and bring your tablet with you. Guys, this is just a perfect product. Now, place your order. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.